Hey guys, Glenn Murray. How are you? Hope you're doing great. This is my sling slot. It's my sling slot. It's gonna launch in about an hour, so this is kind of early in the morning. This is my slingshot video demo review, walkthrough, bonuses, and OTOs. So let's get into it. Oh, before we get into it, first off, let me explain what we're gonna do. We're gonna basically, we're gonna go through the sales page. We're going to see if this product is worth it or not. If you like videos about software reviews, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below. And anytime you do want to go grab SlingShot, pick it up and you will get SlingShot. I'll show you all the OTOs that they have. Also, I'll show you a bit of my bonus page, which will be right inside your receipt area. And I think that's it. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's go through the sales page first, just so we can see exactly what this is. I've already gone through the review copy, and because I don't have access because it's not for sale yet. Let me let me jump on here and get my video out of the way here. You guys can't see that, but I can. All right, so SlingShot. Are you ready to stuff your warrior wallet with commissions? New app lets your audience SlingShot any link to up to 122 million buyers with 2 clicks. Unique hook. This is the JV page. Let me go to the sales page here. Where's the sales page? Let me grab I just had it open here. Hold on one second. Sorry about that, guys. I was on the wrong page. Okay, so this is the SlingShot sales page. Okay, so 2 clicks, put any link in front of 122 million buyers. What do they mean by this? Within just 29 seconds. So what basically SlingShot is in a really quick description is they go find videos, viral videos, and they find expired domains on those videos, and you're able to go pick up those domains and put your affiliate links on them. So these domains are already getting a ton of traffic. All you need to do is with the tool, which this does, is it builds affiliate pages out of those expired domains. So it's actually a really cool idea. I haven't seen anything like this before. So very cool concept. So AutoPilot free traffic in 29 seconds. Guys, whenever you see 29 seconds, it's not really 29 seconds. Give yourself a couple hours to set these things up, just being realistic. It says it's $17 for the front end. Remember, if you scroll off, I make less as an affiliate, but you get a discount, so they'll pop up a window and give you a discount. So these are screenshots. Guys, these screenshots are really, they're just showing how they make commissions on different platforms. They're not necessarily made from that program, so it's just some hype there. But click 1, enter your link. Click 2, activate SlingShot. Again, it's going to be a little bit more work than that. But like I said, this is a very unique process. So I think it's a very cool, very cool tool. When I went through the walkthrough, it was very smooth. It seems like it's all put together really well. Let's go down. Let's see what you get in this. Let's scroll down. Let's see what comes with this product. Lots of sales page stuff, guys. Remember, I don't know why they hype these sale pages so much, because they don't really need to. Okay, so this is what you get right now. Oh, there's bonuses there. Where is it? Come on. There's the bonuses. So you're going to be getting a SlingShot Send, a Drive, host. So you get a hosting account, a autoresponder, a funnel builder, and a training, and you're going to get all this stuff. So yeah, it's a great deal for 17 bucks, because even if this allows you to create one of these websites that's already getting traffic to it, you are, I'm not going to say you're guaranteed to make money. You most likely will make money from just driving traffic from a popular YouTube video. So what do you get? You get the SlingShot web app. You get 2-click technology. You get the built-in traffic, the training, the support. The bonuses, you get the send, the draw, so an autoresponder, a storage drive, a hosting account, and a funnel account. And it's all for $17. Again, if you scroll off, you'll get it. It's also got a bump. First 25 only, you get to blast. So they give you a link. You can send your link to their list, which is always a cool thing. For it's for $10, so that's always worth it. So this is basically the sales page, guys. Let me go over to, I've got some, I'm still putting this page together, but you will have a big bonus section as well. Also, the vendor is giving out 2 extra bonuses, so I'll be adding those to my page there. And let's get back to the OTOs. Where is it here? So the OTOs. So the first one's going to be unlimited. So the front end will probably be a limited version. I'm not sure exactly how many are in the front end that you'd be able to do, but then unlimited for $39. Again, if you scroll off, you're going to get that discount price. They'll probably, I don't know the prices offhand, but probably drop it down by $5 or $10. So you get it for $29. I always get, whenever I buy these softwares, guys, I always get the unlimited. It just makes sense. Done for you. This is great. If you're not techie at all, get them to set up for you. They do a great job. They set everything up for you. The OTO 1K paydays. Not sure exactly what that one is. You'd have to read the sales page on it. I wasn't able to access the OTO page, so we're just going through what it is. Automation. Again, they're gonna set up an automated system for you. There's probably some way that will generate these on AutoPilot. Limitless traffic. They're gonna show you exactly how to, again, AutoPilot stuff. And then the SlingShot reseller. And again, if you want to resell it as your own, you get to keep 100% of the commission. So if you think this is something you're like, wow, I really love this, I want to resell it, then pick that up. Remember, guys, all of these have a downsell. If you just swipe off, I know I make less as an affiliate, but you guys need to know that. And let's get into the actual demo of the product. So you guys can see the actual demo walkthrough. And here we go. I'll be back in a minute.
Hey there, friend. Do you feel like you're struggling with traffic and conversions lately? Do you wish it was easier to bring in visitors to your website, even if you're not an expert? Then let me introduce you to SlingShot, the only app that will put any link in front of 122 million buyers with just 2 clicks in a matter of seconds. How is it possible? Well, SlingShot does this by exploiting well-known traffic sources like YouTube for hot buyer traffic. Curious to see how it works? Then let me show it to you in action. To tap into any of these traffic sources, SlingShot provides you with a powerful search engine that scrapes only high-traffic videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. All you have to do is enter your target keyword, select your high-traffic video source, set the number of videos you want to get, and start your search. As you can see here, SlingShot will show you the highest-ranking videos targeting your keyword. There's plenty you can do to generate traffic with these videos, but SlingShot helps you find new traffic generation opportunities and take advantage of some of these videos in 2 ways. First, you can identify videos with expired links to products and offers in their descriptions. You can purchase those expired link domains with your favorite domain registrar and forward the traffic the domain is getting to your own website. This way, you can redirect all traffic from that video to your own products and offers. The second way is by identifying videos with no links in their descriptions. You can get in touch with the creators of these videos and offer them to partner up so they add your links into their descriptions. This is another awesome way to drive quality traffic to any link. What's more, you can build a one-click high-traffic WordPress website with the SlingShot theme, a nice attention-grabbing theme that's designed to keep your visitors engaged, and the SlingShot plugin, a plug-and-play plugin that'll let you publish high-traffic content to your site in seconds. Installing the SlingShot plugin gives you instant access to the video poster, which lets you create high-traffic posts using YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. Using this powerful tool is very easy, and all you have to do is select your preferred video streaming platform, enter a keyword, select your search criteria, set the number of videos you want to show in the results, and fetch your videos. Let me show you how it works by creating a quick post with YouTube. First, I simply have to enter a keyword here. I can also add a channel ID here. This will help you in case you want to scrape videos from a popular channel in your niche. Then I have to select the number of videos I want to retrieve in the results. Alternatively, I can simply enter a series of video codes to directly fetch and use those videos. In this case, I will simply click here to fetch my videos, and there we go. I can now select which videos I want to turn into high-traffic, highly engaging posts for my website. And then I just click here, set or select a category, and then I click here to publish my posts. But that's not all, guys, because you can also increase your traffic and profit opportunities by adding a CTA overlay to your videos. Right before posting, you can customize what is called the Video CTA overlay. This is simply a CTA that is placed over videos in your posts and that visitors have to click over before the video starts playing, sending massive traffic to any link instantly. Here, all you have to do is select the category of the videos you want to add an overlay on, to add your overlay CTA text, to add the URL you want to send traffic to here, to set an overlay color, and to save. An overlay will appear in all videos under your selected category, and everyone watching those videos will be redirected to your page. What's even cooler, you can create and save a unique overlay per category, so you can show different offers depending on the category visitors are looking at your content. Now we are ready to post, so let's post our high traffic video posts. And as you can see, SlingShot created several high-traffic posts for my website in seconds and with just a few clicks. You can instantly share your new posts to your favorite social channels with one click, and you can edit them to optimize their titles, change their featured images, and to optimize their content. And here, you can also take a look at how the Video CTA overlay looks like. Guys, you are just 2 clicks and a few seconds away from free buyer traffic that runs on AutoPilot. Are you ready to get started today? Then sign up now before the big guys do.
So guys, that is pretty cool how that works. If you watched it, if you not, rewind the video and watch how they do it. Like I said, like that is genius. So what you're doing is you're grabbing videos that have a lot of views already, right? You're putting them on your site, and you're putting an overlay on the video that takes you to the affiliate link. So you get all the content. You're building a site. So it's a very, very cool program. So without all the hype on the sales page, I highly recommend this. Is a very cool tool. I haven't seen anyone do something exactly like this. I have seen overlays on websites and stuff like that, but actually doing the overlays on the video, very, very cool. Before you go anywhere further, make sure you subscribe to my channel below. And this is going to be launching. I'm doing this video about an hour from launch, so hopefully it gets up on YouTube and you're able to see it and you're able to grab it. And again, any of the bonuses, all my bonuses will be in your receipt. So this has been SlingShot review, OTOs, bonuses, and walkthrough and demo and all that stuff. So make sure you subscribe. Oh, and if you are interested in learning how to really market online and build a really great business, check out the link below, my #1 recommended business online. I definitely recommend it. This is how I learned how to do almost 99% of all my marketing. And if something you want to pursue with online marketing, then I definitely highly recommend grabbing that. Checking out that link anyway. So this is it. That's it. SlingShot review, demo, bonuses, OTOs, tutorial, walkthrough, demo, all that stuff. Bye, guys.